Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, the good stuff is here, right? The moment of truth. So right now we will do the unboxing and see what's inside, right? Okay, so there's a bubble package. So I'll get rid of the box. Okay, another bubble package. And another bubble package. Okay, it seems like you are being pranked by your friend during your birthday. Right, this is how I feel. But nevertheless, this is just to show that how lomography takes into care of shipping their items overseas. Right, so let's get all the bags done with. Okay, if you hear some noises in the background, that's my cat playing around with the bubble wrap. Right, okay, finally, I think this is the final bubble wrap. Okay, here we go. We have the leather pouch from lomography. Right, so let's see what's inside. Firstly, we see is the lens. Right, the lens, the Daguerreotype Achromat lens. Right, followed by the standard aperture plates. And the pattern ones. Okay, so let's get it one by one done. First impression, leather pouch, awesome, solid, authentic, original leather. Right, brings out the good old days from God knows whichever century it is, but it is definitely good quality leather. Right, so let's just put this aside and get into the real good stuff. Standard aperture plates ranging from f2.9 to f16. Pattern aperture plates. Seems to have a lot of patterns here which I can play around with. 6:6. And finally the lens. Yum. Okay, the good stuff. First impression, lens, very solid, sturdy, able to cause bruises if you use it to hit on a person. Right, lens cap, tight, not loose, even if you shake. Right, so the front part of the lens is actually the lens hood. Right, from the looks of it, inside there are threads which I guess you can attach a circular polarizer to your lens. Right, I'm getting for the Nikon mount. It comes in so far Nikon and Canon. I'm not so sure about Sony and other brands. Right, you can check for more info in the links I've provided below. Right, focusing smooth, really smooth. Right, there's you don't have to apply much pressure. However, if you are using the lens for recording a video, you might have to apply a bit of pressure because using a thumb or your finger to turn it may take quite a force, right? So overall, very nice, very classy, definitely a head turner. if you use this outside. Alright, but if you see somebody who is turning their head 360 degrees, you better run. That's not a person. Okay, just joking. Jokes set aside. Right, overall, very classy outlook. Given a choice, gold or black, I choose the gold for sure. Right, and well done lomography team for bringing back history to DSLR to use. And stay tuned, you all. Stay tuned for my next videos on the in-depth review, as well as the usage for this particular lens. Right? So that will be all. See ya.